Hi, friend. So I still have my husband's phone, and the service is still on for several reasons. One being, I just not ready to turn it off yet. Another reason being that sometimes there are certain things that he was doing on his phone that I need access to, and they'll send a message to his phone, so I need that because of that. And the other day, I couldn't find it. Got where I misplaced where I put his phone, and so I had to call it. And I'm just gonna show you. When I called it, this is what. And